Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix no service issue in iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version and now you're facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings in your device and then scroll it below and tap on general. Tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available for you, simply update it, and after this go back and now you have to tap on about, and here you will see career updates on your iPhone. So guys, if there is any career update available for you, you have to simply update it, and after this go back and now you have to scroll it below and tap on date and time, set your date and time, and then tap on language and region, select your country or region correctly, then go back, tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN. After this go back and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset the network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this, and after this give a forced restart to your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.